Happy Wednesday, everybody. So as you can tell, I have a mess in the kitchen. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got a lot of cool stuff. For today, I'm gonna be fixing up my little restroom, trying to make it a little pretty. So for the first thing we're gonna do today is we're gonna turn this into a little flower vase, and we're gonna use a foam and the flowers you want. So it's pretty simple. Just cut them at this length and just stick them through, and you go about it. Almost there. Okay, first project done. Okay, so for the next project, I found these 3 items. You can find them in the garden section. A vase, glass vase, a little flower, and then sand. It's pretty easy, just pour it in. Okay, and the last thing you do is put in your little flower, and you're done. Okay, for project 3, I found this at the Dollar Tree as well. You can use the towels that you already have, or you can buy some.